Recently, someone sent me a link for vaginal steaming, and I, as a gynecologist, was actually shocked. Why would someone want to try something as bizarre as this? And I knew I must and I had to talk about this. When I searched about this topic, I was actually amazed to see that how many people were looking for this, how many people were talking about this. So hello everyone, this is Dr. Anjali Kumar once again bringing greetings from Maitri. Maitri is a space where we talk anything and everything about women's health. Vaginal steaming or V-steaming or yoni steaming is one of those celebrity endorsed baseless practices with no medically proven scientific benefits. On top of it, it could be risky also. Vaginal steaming made global headlines after its promotion by an actress, a celebrity, Gwyneth Paltrow, on a website Goop. Sorry Gwyneth Paltrow, but steaming your vagina is a bad idea. Vaginal steaming is described and sold in spas for hefty fees as an ancient Korean treatment for improving the reproductive health, balancing female hormones, and revitalizing the uterus or vagina, claiming to have miraculous benefits. It is said to infuse herb-infused steam into the vagina and uterus and is said to cleanse your vagina and uterus, regulate your menstruation, improve fertility, correct hormonal imbalances, and ease period cramps and bloating. You are supposed to just sit or squat over a container of herbal-infused steam which contains herbs like mugwort, wormwood, chamomile, calendula, basil and oreganos. And most spas have a special seat, Paltrow called it throne, with a hole for the steam to come through. The treatment typically lasts for about 20 to 45 minutes, and mind you, the spas offer this treatment for a hefty fees. So now let's talk about some medical facts. Number 1. Vagina is a self-cleaning organ. It doesn't need to be clean, leave alone steam cleaned. In fact, messing up with the delicate ecosystem of the bacteria out there could cause serious infections and could be potentially dangerous. Secondly, there is no scientific evidence that the vaginal steaming works. There is no evidence that the herbs in the steam could penetrate or permeate the vaginal tissues, let alone balance your hormones and improve your fertility. Yes, the moist heat from the steam might relax your tissues out there, but you could get the similar benefits by sitting in sitz bath or maybe a tub of warm water. There is no scientific evidence that the steaming works. Thirdly, it can be potentially very risky. Your vaginal skin is very sensitive, delicate and easily traumatized. You could seriously get some burns and scalds out there. Also, an overheated vagina could create a perfect environment for the bacteria and the yeast infections to thrive and can cause serious infections out there. There are no accepted medical guidelines to steam the vagina. This means that you are pretty much on your own as to what herbs to use, how much to use, what dose, how much pressure of the water, what temperature, and some herbs can cause serious allergic reactions. And the last place which you want an allergic reaction is your vagina. And when you are using it to treat a medical condition, you actually end up skipping the medical evaluation and treatment, actually worsening the disease. Remember, vagina is a self-cleaning organ. It doesn't need any help from a herbal steaming session. The claims that it cleanses your uterus, vagina, balances your hormones or improves your fertility are medically baseless, scientifically not proven and can be potentially dangerous also. All your vagina needs is a good basic genital and sexual hygiene. So today, if you found this information useful, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Maitri. Please do not forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and we will see you soon.